So this is a quick tutorial on complex fractions, and what we're looking at today is when you have a fraction, for in this case 5/7, divided by another fraction. So before we get into this in detail, I want you to remember what is a fraction. So first of all, remember that a fraction is a division problem. So 2/3 is the same as 2 divided by 3. Another way to show that is 2, the numerator, times 1/3. You might have remembered sometime in algebra they said, oh, dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So here I'm dividing by 3 or multiplying by a reciprocal. Another way to show this is to show 2/1, to show this first number is a fraction, and then you multiply the second number as a fraction as well. So these are just different representations of the same thing here. All of these things are showing 2/3. So in this case, what we're going to do is, because we've got a complex fraction, one we don't want to work with necessarily, I'm going to represent this way, or this way, however you want to think of it. In this case, it's a fraction, so it'll look like this. So I'm going to represent this as 5/7 times, instead of dividing by 3, I'm going to multiply by 1/3. Notice, this is the reciprocal. And then multiplying fractions, as you remember, is very easy. 5 times 1 is 5, and 7 times 3 is 21. To show another example, let's say that I have 4/5 divided by 2. Represent it the same way. So this is 4/5 times 1/2, which equals 4/10. And that makes sense, right? Because if I take 4/5 of something and I take half of that, that's going to be 4/10, or 2/5 if I simplified that. Okay?